Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a checker pattern in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document of 1080 by 1080 dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, click on the document area. Add the width and height to 540 pixels. Press Ctrl+A and align it to the top left corner. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Change its color to white. Select both, hold the Alt button for copy. Press Ctrl+T and rotate it. Click on the I button to turn off the visibility of the background. Then go to the Edit menu and click on Define Pattern. Set the name. Select all and hit Delete. Now add a pattern fill adjustment layer. Select the pattern we just created. Here is the scale option to set the size of these boxes. Add a solid color adjustment layer of any color. Change the blend mode to screen. And you can change the color with a single click. Here is another method to apply it. Create a rectangle. Right-click on its layer and open the blending options. Click on the pattern overlay option. And set the scale. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.